Alright guys, so we have two properties that we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you real quick. We have that one and that one. Now on one of these properties, the homeowner forgot to leave his back gate open. And we did text him this morning. Now, when you find yourself in situations like that, what do? Do you just charge him extra, or do you just come back and hit him up? What we are going to do, because he's a brand new customer, we're gonna just do the front, and then since we are in the neighborhood tomorrow, we'll just go ahead and stop by and do the back. But yeah, that's what we do. We don't penalize our customers. You know, stuff happens, and eventually what we'll do is get a copy of the key or have him put in a lock and take it from there. Stand by. All right guys, we just finished doing this one and that one. The customer over here forgot to leave the door, the back gate open, but it's no big deal. We'll come back and take care of it for him tomorrow. But just wanted to ask you a question real quick. I'm currently pissed. I'm mad, but you know, I know things happen, but I hate looking bad in front of a customer. Now, this is a situation. I had a customer call me on Friday, and he goes, "Hey man, you know, do you know somebody who knows does irrigation? I need something repaired." And I says, "Yeah, you know, I know a guy, you know, that knows how to do irrigation. He can come out there." The guy was standing right beside me, the one that does irrigation. So you know, I put the customer on speakerphone. The guy said, "Yes, I'm coming over there." He went over there, took a look at it, said he can move the irrigation head, blah blah blah, all that good stuff. I will be back tomorrow, which is Saturday, and repair it. So the gentleman took his time off and waited for him, and come to find out, he never showed up. So now we look bad in the eyes of a customer.
Your boy Q, man. I look bad, man.
They need to see your face, man.
Really?
So now we show up to the gentleman's house, and you know, we're happy, motivated, and the man comes out a little bit upset because, and I can clearly see why he's upset, because here he is, took his Saturday off, waiting for the irrigation guy to fix this head, and the guy never shows, and it's currently 87 degrees, and you know, he's very particular when it comes to his lawn, and he cannot water his lawn, and he spends a lot of money with us to maintain it, because you know, we do the fertilizer and everything. I'm gonna show you real quick. This is what it looks like, and you know, it's pretty dry right now, and the man is upset, you know. So now I guess we're gonna make some phone calls.
Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna make some phone calls.
Yeah, we gotta make some phone calls, because again, we hate looking like that. I don't even know what word to use, man. Yeah, we're gonna make some phone calls.
$20 lawn cares. That's what we look like right now. One of the ones who don't keep their word, don't show up on time, come when they want to, do crappy work. Yeah, well, that's how we look right now.
Yeah, that's where we look right now.
And I'm profesh.
You what?
I'm profesh.
You? Oh, profesh, as a professional.
Profesh.
There you go. There you go.
Grassologist.
There you go. And I'm telling you, man. Even though we told him, we did tell him he is a subcontractor, but you as the main person, you know what I mean, the one that's the head, you know, it makes us look bad. So that gentleman says, "Listen, if he can't come, let me know, because I'll find somebody else." And that's like sticking me with a needle. You know what I mean? When they say that shit pisses me off, man. So now I'm gonna go hunt this guy down. I promise you. Yeah, we're gonna go hunting down and get this stuff done, man. Definitely. All right, just wanted to vent, guys. It's been a pretty hot day. We just did about 16, 17. We're gonna call it a day. And yeah, this is today's video, guys. What do you do when a subcontractor
don't hold their word?
Yeah, man, it makes you look bad. It's right now, and I keep saying it. We look like pure.
Look at that, man. That's supposed to look like luscious.
I know.
It's supposed to look like our symbol right here. It's supposed to look like that.
I know, and look what it looks like. It's all dry. Yeah, we're gonna get it fixed. We're gonna get it fixed. All right. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and knock this man. I'm gonna give him a call. All right, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, man. I'm a little upset, so still stay motivated and pop smoke. Shit happened, but we'll fix it. Peace.